Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs with butter. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat, add a generous pat of butter, and let it melt until it foams slightly. Crack eggs into a bowl, season lightly with salt and pepper, then gently slide them into the pan. Cook slowly for tender whites and creamy yolks, basting with melted butter if desired, then serve immediately and enjoy. Start with quality butter and room temperature eggs for best texture. Use clarified butter for higher smoke point or whole butter for flavor. Preheat pan to medium-low and melt butter until it stops browning. For scrambled eggs, whisk with a splash of milk, then cook slowly while stirring. For fried eggs, avoid flipping until whites set. Finish with salt, pepper, and optional herbs, then plate gently for a perfect presentation. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like for more handy kitchen guides. Also, on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long days standing at the stove. Check the description for the link and other deals, and tap subscribe if this helped you. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Timing and heat control make the biggest difference when cooking with butter. If whites cook too fast, lower the heat and cover briefly to finish yolks. If butter browns too quickly, remove pan from heat and let residual heat finish the eggs. Avoid overcrowding the pan to maintain even cooking. Use a silicone spatula for gentle folding and a lid to steam if you prefer softer textures for scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.